is Anandam. Hello students. This is Dr. Uday Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor, School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. Today I am giving a video lecture on organization structure. So first we are discussing about the organization structure. The objective of the study is to understand the characteristics of different organization structures, examine the advantage and disadvantage of different types of structures, and understand the concept of departmentalization. What is organization structure? So organization structure is defined as a network of job positions, responsibilities and authorities at different levels. Organization structure refers to the way that an organization arranges people and jobs so that its works can be performed and its goals can be met. So that is the structure means we are arranging the jobs, positions, responsibilities in a different manner. It may be a different ways, different objectives, and on the basis of different objectives we are organizing different types of structures. We organize the organization in a different structures. Types of organization structures, there are different types as I say: line is organization, line and staff organization, functional, divisional, matrix or hybrid organization. First we are discussing about the line organization. It is the simplest form of the organization and it is the oldest form. It is the most simple type of organization in which only the persons are doing the things. It is the line command is carried out by the top management from the bottom. It is a simple and most small type of organization. It is focused on the superior subordinate relationship. The main features of the line organizations are: it is the simplest form of organization. Authorities flow from the top to bottom. There is no supportive services and specialized staff in the line organization. Unified control by the line officers maintained. The kind of organization always helps in bringing efficiency and communicating and bringing stability to a concern. There is a simple structure of the line organization in which the president is there, two vice presidents is there, operation and marketing. They have a line direct reporting from the to the president, and the vice president is taking the reporting from the different departments head. So that is the most common and the most smallest simple type of organization structure. Now we come on the line and staff organization. Line and staff, there are two verticals are there: line and staff. Line is the main authorities and the staff is supporting persons. So according to this administrative organization, specialized and supportive activities are attached to the line of command by appointing staff supervisors and staff specialists. So, for example, the personal secretary of the managing director is a staff officials. There are two types of staff: staff assistant and the staff supervisors. For staff assistant, for the example is the personal assistant to the managing director, secretary. Staff supervisor are the operational control manager, quality controller, PRO, etc. etc. There is some division of work and specialization takes place in the line and staff organization. For the specialized task, we need the staff function, and for the staff function, we need the staff organization. They are the specialized and general kinds. The general staff like a personal assistant to the managing director, and the specialized staff who are the very much specialized or having the specialized in the particular activity. Now we come on the functional organization. We organize our organization staff in a particular functions on the basis of the different functions. When the activity or jobs are grouped, keeping in the mind the functions to be performed, that then it is called the functional structures. For example, in an organization we have a manufacturing concern, so there is some production department, purchase department, marketing and personal functions. So on the basis of different function we have a functional organization. The entire organizational activities are divided into specific functions such as operation, finance, marketing, personal relations. In the functional organizations, there are three authorities that exist: line, staff, and function. In the previous two structures, we are discussing in the line and function, only one line, one authority is there. In the line and staff, the two authorities are there, line and staff, supporting persons. And in the functional organization, we have three authorities, line, staff, and function. Okay, primary, we are discussing the different functional specialists are there. They are very much specialized in their functions. Principle of unity of command, here we are not apply. In the such organization, it is present in line organization. Now we come on the divisional structures. So for the large organization, the divisional structure is appropriate type of there, where the different ranges of products are there. So for on the basis of the different products, we have to organize our organization in the divisional structures. So in the divisional structure, we say little companies within the companies. So within the company, we have a little company. Like a product for a particular division for a particular product, we have a different important functions like production, marketing, finance, and human resource. So different product having a small type of companies within the company. The advantage of the divisional structure is development of personals, accountability is also there. We have a fast decision making. All the divisions are making independent decisions. They are flexible in initiatives. Expansion and growth is also there. We can easily expand our business and during a different product system. Demerits is also there. There is a demerits, yeah, disadvantage we say, that is the duplication of the work, and each department has requires all the resources to work as an independent unit. So we need more resources in the case of divisional structure. Hybrid structure, we say that is also the matrix structures. We already discussed about the different types of structures. So whenever we having two types of structures like functional and divisional in within a company, and we say that is a combination of functional and divisional form. So that is the hybrid structures. Yes. Now we say different formal and informal organization structures. When the managers are carrying on the organization process, then as a result, an organizational structure is created on the basis of some rules and regulations. Some particular procedures are there, that is the formal organization structures. In the formal organization structure, we have particular job responsibilities, authorities are assigned to the each and every person's employee, and there is a senior and subordinate relationship is also established. In case of informal organization, these organization, yeah, informal structure is developed within the organization. Some individuals are interact with the different departments in a social and friendly manner. So they develop a structure that is called the informal structures. They are not following the rules and regulations and procedures. These informal organization structure is developed due to the informal relationships among the employees. Now we come on the another concept that is also related to the organization structure, that is the departmentalization. Departmentalization means we are grouping the related functions into the manageable unit to achieve the objectives of the enterprises in the most efficient and effective manner is departmentalization. It is a variety of means can be utilized for this purpose. The primary form of departmentalization are by function, process, product, market, customer, geographic area, and even matrix. That is also called the project organization. So now we discuss about the different departmentalization. First one is the Functional departmentalization. Every organization of a given type must perform certain jobs in order to do its work. Then, for example, we say the key functions of manufacturing company include the production, purchasing, marketing, accounting, and personnel. So that is the functional departmentalization. Next one is the geographic departmentalization. In the case when the organization is spread over the wide area in the large geographic area, so we are making the department on the basis of the area, or we say geographically. For example, a marketing company having a product in different Western Europe, different requirements, then the marketing the same product in Southeast Asia, companies that the market products globally sometimes adopt a geographic structures. Product departmentalization. Large diversified companies are often organized according to the product. On the basis of different products, they have a departmentalization. The advantage of this type, or we say product customization, is that the personnel in the group can focus on the particular need of their product, and line becomes expert in the development and production and distribution of that particular product. Customer in market departmentation. Sometimes organization is also develop the market departmentation of customer on the basis of customer need. That may be the we are distributing company in the different customer segment, like we have a different customer base like consumers, government, large business, small businesses. So we are making the departments on the basis of the customer profile. So that is also customer in market department. We are also making the organization structure on the departmentalization on the basis of the market, like a rural market and the urban market. So that is all. That is about the organization structures. Thank you very much for listening my video patiently.